Kumusta naman coach yung daming pagbabago sa team? Kumusta naman yung adjustment and
yung pagbabago, medyo masaya. Siyempre, nakuha ko yung Christian Hardinger at saka yung Stanley Pringle. So maganda yung naging outcome ng team with Wami Chongson. Sila yung parang big three ko ngayon dito eh. And the rookies, very promising na may Manakoko, Mark Nonoy, CJ Katapusan, and si Hernandez saka si Hanapi. So yun, lumalim yung bench ko ngayon. I think mas malalim ngayon. And the way yung tune-up games namin versus Magnolia, maganda yung marami kami nakita na pagbabago sa team. Isa yung opensa namin lumakas, in and out. Then with addition import namin, medyo maayos yung nakuha namin sa fit sa team namin. Kaya I think maganda itatakbo namin this company.
kumusta yung result nung sa Magnolia?
Nalamangan namin na blow up by 10 points na lamangan namin sila. Pero siyempre kailangan makita ko yung mga rookies. So in the end, natalo rin kami ng 3 points. Nakatira ng 3 points yung import nila. Kala ko malakas lang magdang, 3 points din pa. So yun, maganda naman yung outcome. So yun lang, more learning naman yung tune-up games. Pero nakikita ko na maganda yung tatakbo ng team ko.
Coach, yung last conference, maganda eh. Talagang tingin mo ba with the changes, medyo na-disrupt kasi yung core nyo, pero with the changes, do you think kaya uling at least maka-playoffs man?
For a while, medyo siyempre with Isaac and Stephen Holt. But nung nakita ko, we start practicing with Stanley Pringle and C-Stan, I think mas lumalim yung yung team ko. Tsaka nagkaroon ako ng ilalim talaga, we can go right away to C-Stan. Then with Wami and Stanley Pringle na talagang they're the shooter na hindi nila pwedeng iwan. So maganda, at least before kasi with Isaac, with Stephen Holt, yung team ko na nakapasok in this quarterfinals, talagang yung strength namin is more on them. But this time, we can shoot outside and also we can dominate inside with C-Stan and the import.
Si Stanley, maraming sasabi sa team nyo, parang yung
si Stanley, natagal ko lang kasama yan, Global Port franchise pa. Ako yung nagbibigay ng bola dyan. Nakita kami, he texted me na, Coach, I'm ready to start to practice. Sabi niya, I'm ready to get a win again. I promise you something. Okay, so nasama naman ako. Talagang gusto lang naman nila maglaro. With this age, I think, sa tingin ko, parang hindi siya ganung edad niya eh. Galing pa rin talaga eh. So at least we have sa isolation ng Wami na they create din sa mga teammates and siyempre they know Wami rin naman. So talagang yun na lang, inaayos ko na lang yung depensa namin. So yun na lang yung pinoproblema ko. Kasi siyempre, itong PBA is lahat teams talaga, lahat malakas to eh. So every game counts dito, kailangan manalo kami. Walang mahina dito sa PBA. Medyo magkaroon ka ng laps dito, matatalo ka talaga.